YouTube, Mike Pickett here, and it is Wednesday the 18th of October 2017, and it's raining. And it's raining partly because of Typhoon 18 of the season, which is sometimes called Lan or Typhoon Lan. Lan is a Vietnamese name, by the way. And yeah, having said that, yeah, it's a typhoon's on its way. It's going to make landfall either 22nd or 23rd. 22nd if you're in Okinawa or Kyushu, but 23rd near us. But it seems to be definitely on its way. And in the meantime, it's definitely raining a lot. Mind you, we could use the rain. We didn't really have a rainy season here in Kansai. Kyushu definitely got a rainy season, but Kansai did not. But anyway, see you. Bye.